Structuring your ideas, mastering logical presentations. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we'll delve into a very important aspect of presentation design: creating a logical structure. Being able to present your ideas in a clear, logical, and cohesive manner is critical to effective communication, especially in public speaking and presentations. Why is having a logical structure so important? Well, think of it this way. A good structure is like a roadmap for your audience. It guides them through your points, allowing them to follow your thoughts and understand your arguments more clearly. Without a good structure, your audience might get lost in a maze of points and counterpoints. Now, let's dive into the basics of organizing content in presentations. You can think of any presentation as having three main parts. 1. Introduction. This is where you introduce the topic, capture the audience's interest, and give them an overview of what to expect. 2. Body. Here, you present your main arguments, points, or ideas. This should form the bulk of your presentation. 3. Conclusion. This is where you summarize your main points and leave your audience with a takeaway message. Remember, each section should flow logically into the next, forming a coherent whole. Now, let's focus on the body of your presentation, where you'll be making your main points. Here are a few strategies for organizing your content logically. 1. Chronological order. Present your ideas in the order of time they occurred or should occur. This is especially useful when discussing processes, histories, or sequences of events. 2. Problem-solution structure. First present a problem, then explain your solution. This is a powerful and persuasive structure. 3. Cause-effect structure. Discuss a cause, then move on to its effects. This is great for explaining the impact of specific actions or events. 4. Hierarchical structure. Start with a general point and then break it down into specific subpoints. Remember, choose a structure that fits your topic and audience best. Lastly, it's not enough to just present your ideas. You need to connect them to help your audience follow along. Use signposting language, like first, then, however, in addition, to guide your audience through your presentation. And don't forget to recap major points as you go along. And that's it for today's video on creating a logical structure in your presentations. Remember, a well-structured presentation guides your audience through your points and makes your arguments more understandable and persuasive. Keep practicing and experimenting with different structures to find what works best for you. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.